So mom and pop, you have a really nice candy store here on the corner. And I'm going to make a guess that without even asking your books, I'm going to make a guess that you make less money than Apple Computer. And so, well, yes, we do, Steve. Yet mom and pop are paying more taxes than Apple Computer. Why? Because Apple Computer has an army of guys like me and say, look, do this and this and this and this. And there's so much you can do to save taxes. For example, we're going back to investors. So let's assume you say, you know what? I'm a wage earner and I'm also a landlord. So the first thing we did is we set up the entity for asset protection.
Mhm.
But then what happens? We said, well, okay, let's do this. Pensions were designed to offset company income, not investment income. So what happens is we say, okay, we set up a company. So we did that already for asset protection, but we also put a pension in the company we just set up. And now effectively, when the smoke clears, in reality, we've offset our investment income with the pension. So again, instead of paying taxes, we put money away for our retirement and pay a lesser amount of taxes. That's one of the things you can do.
I
Other
love that
thing-
you're talking about this because I've never heard of this, because when I hear of a pension, I always think, oh, that's somebody who worked for a company for 30 years and now they get some money when they retire. And I didn't ever know that a business owner could have a pension, like me could set one up or have you set one up for me.
See,
I've
Jen,
never heard of
that's why here, I'm locally, I'm on TV and radio. I talk about this all the time. And exactly what you said is what almost all people say to me. They work really hard and they say, I'm nose to the grindstone. And usually my biggest decision when I come home at night is, do I get something to eat or I go right to bed because I'm exhausted? And they don't hear about these things. But
Mhm.
somebody that does, you have tremendous advantage. That's why these podcasts are so valuable. And that's why so many years ago, I chose to go on the radio before the other lawyers did, because I said, well, look, if you don't know these benefits, you're not going to look for something you don't know exists.